find the force in the member FAB. FAB equals to question mark. So for that, what we need to do, we have to cut the whole member. I'll cut it like this. Okay, so I'll call it as 1, 1, and we have to find out the support reactions. So this is one support, and this is one more support reaction, and here one more. So horizontal at C, vertical at C, and vertical at E. So because this is a symmetrical, so symmetrical force system. So we get 10 kilonewton here, and this will also be 10 kilonewton because just they are same. Okay, and this is 4 meter, this is 2 meter, this is 4 meter, and this is 2 meter. So if I take either you can take LHS or RHS. So I'll take RHS, that is left hand, LHS I'll take. If I take it here, this will be one tension I'll consider, this will be one more tension, and this is one more tension. So let me call it as FBG, and this is FAB, and then FAD. Okay, so AD, AB, and BG. Okay, so these are the things I am calling. This is all I'll consider tension only. So this is tension, this is also tension, and this is also tension. So now, here, if I write it, so let me write here. So this is 4 meter, I write here. So I'll draw the diagram here, this side. Okay, so this one I'm assuming as tension. So this one assuming as tension. This one I'm assuming as it is in tension. So we'll see whether we get tension or not. So this is FBG, and this is FAB, and this is FAD. And there is one more force which is acting here downward, 10 kilonewton, and there is one more force which is acting here, 10 kilonewton. You have three equations: summation of Fx equals to 0, and summation of Fy equals to 0, and summation of M equals to 0. You can use any of these equations, and you can calculate here. So if you take horizontal, what I want the force in the member FAB. That is what they have asked. Okay, if I take summation of Fx, so how many equations we get? How many unknowns we have in x direction? One unknown. This will also create some horizontal. There will be one horizontal resolvent of this one. Okay, so there is one more. So three are there. So then by that equation it is not possible. Then we have to take summation of M equals to 0. If I take summation of moment at any point equals to 0, then I can take, if I take moment at this point, or if I extend it, I can take moment at this point. If I take moment at this point, these two will become 0, and this will be multiplied by this distance 4 meter. So then we are not getting FAB. So there is one more possibility that we can take the moment at this point also. If I take moment at this point, what will happen? These two will become 0, and this we will not get FAB, right? So there is one more equation, that is summation of Fy equals to 0. If I take summation of Fy equals to 0, how many unknowns are there in y direction? See, so this is one in upward direction, one in direction. I know the value. So this will not come in y direction. This will also not come in the y direction. Only thing is left, this FAB. So directly I'll use that. That is plus 10, minus 10. This is plus 10, minus 10. Okay. So this is coming downward direction. This is 4 meter. This is 4 meter. These two are 4 meter, means this is how much? This will be 45 degrees. Correct? So if I take the vertical component of that, what I get? Minus FAB sine 45, which is equals to 0. So there's 2 get cancels. So what it left? FAB is equals to 0. This is very simple. So if I ask you to calculate FBG, tell me how much you will get FBG. I take moment about this point A. Okay, so if I take summation of moment about A equals to 0, if I take moment about A equals to 0, so what will happen? This FAB will be gone, FAD will be gone, FAB will be gone. So this is only FBG into this will create a clockwise moment about this point. Okay, so into 4, and this will create anti-clockwise moment. That is how much? Minus 10 into 4 about this point I am talking. Okay, this is point A about which we are calculating the moment, and there is one more 10 which will create a clockwise moment. Correct? So that is plus 10 into 6 equals to 0. Only 3 forces, these two are eliminated already. So here main thing is you have to try to eliminate the forces which are unknown, except which we want. Okay, here I want FBG, so that's why I am trying to eliminate these two. So in the previous case I wanted FAB, so I tried to take an equation such that I should not get these two. Okay, if I ask you to calculate this one, what you have to do? You have to take moment about this point. If you take moment about this point, these two will get eliminated. So only this is left. If I ask you to calculate FAD, right? So here, so this is minus 40 plus 60. So FBG into 4 is equals to, this will send, if it goes to the other side, so this become minus 20, minus 60, this is plus 40, so we'll get minus 20. So I think you have taken this as 4 meters. This is not 4 meter, this is 2 meter. Okay, so somebody has given the answer as 10, so it's actually you should get 5 because this is 2 meter. Okay, so 10 into 6 minus 20a, so FBG is equals to minus 5 kilonewton. So we have taken tension, so it means that 5 kilonewton compression. So here 0. And if I ask you to calculate FAD, what you will do? FAD is equals to, if I ask you to calculate, so what you do? Summation of moment about this point. What is that point? B. Summation of moment about point B. Okay, if I take that, so this will not come because this is also in point with this point B. This is also in line with point B. So these two will not come. This will come. So this will create which moment? This will create anti-clockwise moment, right? Minus FAD into, what is the distance? 4 meter. Correct? Perpendicular distance is 4 meter. Then this is also in line with this point B only. This is also in line with point B. So this will also not come. This will come. How much? This will create what moment? This will create clockwise moment. Plus 10 into distance is 2 meter is equals to 0. Correct? So if I send this to the other side, I get FAD is equals to 20 divided by 4, which is equals to 5 kilonewton. So we have got positive value tension. Very simple.